Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to explain a Hindi chapter of class 10th, Tulsi Ke Dohe, written by Goswami Tulsidas. Let us first see the Kavi Parichay. गोस्वामी तुलसीदास सन 1532 से 1623। गोस्वामी तुलसीदास हिंदी साहित्य के भक्ति काल की राम भक्त शाखा के प्रमुख कवि है। तुलसीदास का जन्म सन 1532 में उत्तर प्रदेश के राजापुर में हुआ था। उनके पिता का नाम आत्माराम और माता का हुलसी था। कहा जाता है कि जब तुलसीदास जी का जन्म हुआ तब उन्होंने राम नाम का उच्चारण किया था, इसलिए उनके बचपन का नाम राम बोला पड़ा। तुलसीदास भगवान राम के अनन्य भक्त थे। उनकी प्रमुख रचनाएं हैं रामचरितमानस, विनय पत्रिका, गीतावली, दोहावली, कवितावली आदि। सन 1623 को काशी में उनका देहांत हुआ। So here Goswami Tulsidas was born on 1532 in Rajapur village of UP and died on 1623 in Kashi. He was a famous Hindi writer of Hindi literature of Bhakti era. His father's name was Atmaram and mother Hulsi. It is also believed that when he was born, he was chanting the name of Rama, because of which he got a name Ram Bola from his childhood. He was a very good devotee of Lord Ram. Some of his famous compositions are Ramcharitamanas, Vinay Patrika, Geetavali, etc. So this was about Goswami Tulsidas. Now let us see दोहे का आशय मीन्स द समरी ऑफ दिस दोहे। तुलसीदास जी ने इन दोहों में मुखिया के लक्षण, संत का स्वभाव आदि पर प्रकाश डाला है। साथ ही उन्होंने दया, धर्म का महत्व, अभिमान, त्याग, विवेकयुक्त व्यवहार, राम पर विश्वास, राम नाम जाप इत्यादि का बखान करते हुए सुझाव दिया है कि इंसान को नीतियुक्त जीवन बिताना चाहिए। इन दोहों के द्वारा छात्र अच्छे कर्म करने और नैतिकता से जीवन बिताने की सीख प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। So here the summary of this doha is Goswami Tulsidas has tried to focus on the symptoms of leader uh, and behavior of swan, and also the importance of doing good deeds and not allowing ego to enter in us. He also tells to have complete faith in God. After reading this dohe, students will learn to do good deeds and live life ethically. So from here the dohe starts. Doha is a couplet, means it consists of two lines. Many poets, they have explained whole stories in Doha. Some of the famous dohe is Ramcharitamanas, which is written by Tulsi Das. So here the first one is मुखिया मुख सो चाहिए खान पान को एक पाले पोसे सकल अंग तुलसी सहित विवेक. Here first we will see the hard words. Mukhiya means leader, neta, or any superior person. Mukh means mouth. Khan pan means eating, drinking. Pale pose means to take care. Ang means parts of the body. So here Tulsidas is saying that the mouth, how the mouth is an important part of our body. It eats and drinks and give all the nutrients to the body. If mouth doesn't take food, then do we get any nutrients in our body? No, we cannot get any nutrients. So here mouth is playing an important role, which is supplying all the nutrients to our body. So the same way, he wants mukhiya, he wants a leader to take care of his family, of his society, and fulfill all the needs of the members of the society. So here mouth is compared to mukhiya, leader. Now the second is जड़ चेतन गुण दोषमय विश्व किन्ह करतार संत हंस गुण गह हिम पय परिहरि वारी विकार. Here the hard words. Jad Chetan means living and non-living things. In living things, you can say birds, animals, human beings, aquatic animals, and non-living things will come rocks, mountains, rivers, ocean. Gun Doshmay means good and bad, Achai and Burai. Visva means universe. Kartar means creator, the creator of the universe, means our God. Sant means a good person, good human being. Hans is a bird, swan. Gun means quality. Gahim means to accept, to take. Pay means milk. Parihari, it means to avoid, to neglect. Vari means water. Vikar means to Vikar means wastage, unnecessary thing. So here in first line, Jad Chetan Gun Doshmay Visva Kinha Kartar means here the creator, our creator, he has created the universe with a mixture of living and non-living thing, good and bad qualities, everything you can find in the universe. And here this Tulsi Das, he is saying that Sant, Sant means a good man. A good man should follow the quality of Hans. Now, what is the quality of Hans? If you keep milk mixed with water, this Hans, this swan, it will only drink milk and it will leave the water aside. So, in the same way, a Sant, a good person, he has to take only the good qualities from the universe and have to leave the bad qualities there only. Means a sajjan man means a good man has to learn from the Hans to take the good qualities from the universe and leave the bad. Okay, now let us see the next one. दया धर्म का मूल है, पाप मूल अभिमान, तुलसी दया न छाड़िए, जब लग घट में प्राण. Daya means mercy, a good deed. Dharma means religion. Mool means base, foundation. Pap means bad deed. Abhiman means ego, ahankar. Chadiye means chodiye, to leave, to let it go. Ghat means body, pran means soul. So here Tulsidas is saying that no religion teaches us to be violent. All the religion teaches us to do good deeds and to show mercy to the people. And he is saying that if you have ego in you, then you cannot do good deeds. Your ego will stop you from doing good deeds. So he's saying that you have to leave the ego, you have to remove the ego from your body, from your mind, from your heart, and you have to be merciful towards the humanity. Merciful means daya means what? Any good deeds. If you smile, that is also a good deed. If you help people, that is also a good deed. If you show the right direction to people who don't know the address, that is also a good deed. Means any good deed is known as daya. So he's saying that till your last breath, till you're alive, you have to show mercy. You have to show mercy on people. Now the next is तुलसी साथी विपत्ति के, विद्या विनय विवेक, साहस सुकृति, सुसत्य व्रत, राम भरोसो एक. Now here Tulsidas, he is saying that okay, let us first see the difficult words. What is vipatti? Vipatti means any difficult situation that comes in your life, difficulty and problems, hurdles of life. Vidya means knowledge. Vinay means modesty, free of pride, means a person who does not feel proud. That is Vinay, modesty. Vivek means the ability to take the right decision at the right time without hurting the another person, means taking the right decision. Sahas means courage. Okay, so now here Tulsidas, he is saying that if any difficulty comes in your life, who will help you? Your friend will not come and help you. If you have three qualities in you, you can easily overcome from that situation, from that sad situation. Now, what is that three qualities? Vidya, Vinay, and Vivek. If you have knowledge, you can easily cope up with the problem. If you are good, if you are modest, if your heart is clean, if you are free from proudly, if you are not proud of anything, your heart is clean, then you can easily take the right decision. So here what Tulsidas is saying, that you must have three qualities in you, Vidya, Vinay, and Vivek, to overcome the difficulties of your life. And also you must believe in one God. You must have faith in one God. Now the last doha of this is Ram Naam Mani Deep Dharu Jih Dehri Dwar Tulsi Bhitar Bahiro Jo Chasi Ujiyar. Here the hard words deep means diya, as you can see in the picture, diya, light, lamp. Jih means jeeb, tongue. Dehri means shelf where you keep this diya, window side. Dwar means entrance, at the door. Bhitar means under, inside. Bahiro means outside. Ujiyar means prakash, roshni, light. So here he is giving the example of light that this diya, if you keep this diya near the door or window, it spreads the light everywhere. Everywhere it spreads its light. So if you keep chanting the name of Ram, you will feel inner peace from inside and outside. Both the way you will be relaxed. If you chant the name of Ram, your heart will be relaxed, and also your physical fitness, it will be good. You will be free from all the diseases. So here he is trying to compare the light with the name of Ram. If you recite or if you chant the name of Ram, you will be peaceful from inside and outside. So this much only in this Doha. It is very easy. If you like it, hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.